Audit of hospitals. Let's do this area. Audit of hospitals. Let's start one by one. This was a nice story. Let's go into the story mode first. First, four boys meet and they think of starting a hospital because they are doctors and CAs. I'll give you the example. The person who is owning the tea stall, he turns around and gives the key. So giving the key is called authorization and sanction. We connected that in the story. The boys here, what they do, so they call all their relatives and friends and take donations from them. That is what donations. That is donations and legacies is how we connect. After that, one of the boys puts the money in that donation money received and goes to purchase the basic needs of the hospital. So he goes to purchase what? He goes to purchase inventories. He goes to purchase inventory. When he goes to purchase inventory, another person comes into the hospital. I told you in the class to imagine a person with a white shirt, white pant like that, and with holding his heart, he's not able to breathe, and he's coming into the hospital, and he says that he is having some heart trouble. So the one of the persons in your class, I told him he's a doctor, and he's there, and this patient who is coming, he tells him go and lie in that one of the rooms. So there, this doctor then goes with a knife. Knife is what? It's your equipment. So knife becomes your depreciable equipment. So you understand here that is your depreciation. Easy to understand this area. Then after that, what happens is the person becomes all right, and after that, while leaving, he appreciates that the hospital did not even make him fill any form. So with that, you'll remember register of patients. Register of patients. Next day, this person who had come as a patient, that white pant, white shirt guy, he turned out to be a big politician. And this politician next day gives a speech. In the speech, he says, "See, I'm giving a government grant of so much amount for this hospital as government grants and TDS will remember." And after that, you will have. He says that I'm also encouraging you all to also please go and give some money to the hospital in case of any help that you can do to the hospital. That is called cash collection. Simple. Now, what do the four boys do? What do? They do this. They form a management committee. With this, we'll remember management representation and certificates, which you can see is this point certificate, this area. When they meet, they form the budget. They come up with the internal check. What work will happen? What is the internal check procedures? They come up with their two registers. That is subscription register. You can see here, and then you come up with something called as investment register here. And finally, because they had made investments, they will earn income from investment. So we had done this flow. If you remember, management representation and certificate, budget, internal check. Then they come up with subscription register for the money which is coming in, and for the money which is going out, they will have investment register. Because they have invested the money, they will earn income from investment. This is how we had learned this area. Comfortable till here? Okay.